so tired. Like, my motivation for getting dressed is literally just to get water. We're gonna do a really quick get ready with me. Hold on, let me go get my stuff. I traveled with my little travel pouch that I got from Target. It was only $3, so don't say you can't afford one. We're gonna start off here with a toothbrush. And then you have this stuff, and it's called toothpaste. So to clean my face, I use a cotton round and I use rose water. Rose water witch hazel, sorry. The reason why I clean my face with witch hazel is because one of my really good friends said that it helps like make your skin like really even or some shit. And if you think that your face isn't like dirty, you're a liar. You're a big liar.
These is purple Crocs. These are Ashley shoes.
At the time that I'm making this video, I have 93 subscribers. Do y'all know how hard it is to get 100 subscribers on YouTube? Like, it's not that easy. Hopefully by the time I actually post this, I'll have 100, but if not, can some people please subscribe to my channel? Like, I know my videos are good.
We're about to go get Boston Burger Company featured on the Food Network.
I think it's over there. Wait, guys. Right there. There we go.
Croc game. Join it. Are those cheetah prints? Ew. Look at them. Look at them trying to be gang now. Y'all spent all summer sitting there dogging me for my Crocs. Now look at y'all trying to be gang.
Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming.
I don't even know what to look for.
You guys will never guess what happened. We're on our way back to our hotel from the city and shit. And Tracy's freaking check engine light came on. We're sitting here on the side of the freeway in traffic. There's traffic.
She don't know what to look for in the car.
She don't. She out here just calling people.
I just feel like staring at the car. Sounds like it's a flat tire.
It does sound like
a
flat tire.
But she thinks it's not, and I just wish she would check to see.
Maybe you should tell her to check her tires.
Tracy, check your tires! I'm about to just text her because it's loud, and I know she can't hear me. Your tire hubcap is gone.
No, you know when they change the tires, you know how they have to unscrew it?
Mm-hmm.
3 of them's not there.
Let me find out. We actually have to, we can't leave tomorrow at 9 o'clock. And we're going to have to drive back. Shit, if that's the case, my daddy is going to be in D.C. I'll call him and be like, Daddy, can you please come up to Boston while I drive back?
We were in a tow truck. He picks us up. I mean, the tow guy picks us. He's like, oh, thank God you guys pulled over. You have 3 lug nuts missing. Good thing your tire didn't fall off. It's never a dull moment.